Hi, and welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to place your first trade on Plus500's mobile trading app. I'm Andrish, a broker analyst here at BrokerChooser. In this video, I will walk you through everything from searching for the instrument to actually placing your first trade. If you're interested in what happens before this point, such as how to open an account at Plus500, make sure to check out our separate video on Plus500's account opening process. Plus500 is a well-known CFD broker, and at BrokerChooser, we only recommend brokers operating under strong regulatory oversight, and Plus500 is no exception. If you would like to learn more about Plus500 and see how it compares to other global brokers, head to BrokerChooser.com for our independent review. We cover over 100 brokers worldwide, evaluating each one against more than 600 data points to help you find the ideal provider for your investment goals. Now let's dive in and start trading at Plus500. When you log into Plus500's mobile trading app, you'll land on the Trade tab. If you have already deposited funds, you can start trading right away. Not sure what to trade? Just click on the header at the top. From here, you can explore the most popular assets, the top risers, the top fallers, or even create your own custom watch list. If you scroll further down, you'll see all available instruments neatly organized by asset class, such as commodities, indices, crypto, and more. Some categories even have their own subcategories. For example, in forex, you'll find major, minor, and exotic currency pairs, so it's easier to navigate what you're looking for. If you don't want to scroll, you can simply type the instrument's name into the search bar to see all relevant results right away. And if you don't see the search bar, just swipe down. It will appear at the top. If you want to know more about an instrument, just click on it and you'll find the Info tab at the top in the middle. Here, you'll find the charting and all relevant information about the selected instrument, including a short description of the company, trading hours, leverage, margin, which is the amount required to open and keep a CFD position overnight, trading fees, such as the spread and overnight funding fees, and upcoming important events related to the asset. At the bottom, you'll also see the estimated costs and charges for a specific trade. You can choose whether you want to go long or short, set the amount you'd like to trade, and the app will automatically calculate the cost for you, which is a very convenient and useful function to monitor your costs. In addition, there's also an Insights tab in the top right. This shows what other Plus500 traders are doing. You'll see things like the asset's popularity, how many people viewed it in the past 24 hours, and the trader sentiment, meaning the percentage of buyers versus sellers, which can give you a quick feel for what the community is thinking. Once you've picked the instrument you want to trade, the first thing you do is decide whether you want to buy or sell. As soon as you click one, the order panel will pop up. Next, type in how much you'd like to trade. You'll notice the value of the trade and the margin, that's the amount of money you need to open and keep the position, updates instantly as you change the size. If you don't want to jump in at the current price, you can set up a limit order by clicking Buy When Rate Is. This means your trade will only go through once the price reaches the level you've chosen. To help manage risk, you can also add a stop loss, which automatically closes your position if the market moves against you beyond the level you're comfortable with. Plus500 offers three types. The first one is the normal stop loss, which closes your trade if the price hits the loss level you set. Just click Close at Loss and set the rate. Just below you'll see the calculated loss figures, so you know exactly what outcome to expect. Then there's a guaranteed stop loss, which makes sure your trade closes exactly where you set it, even if the market jumps past it. This one comes with slightly higher spread costs, but it gives you extra certainty. And the last one is the trailing stop loss, which moves along with the price if things go your way. It's great for protecting profits while still allowing room for further upside. You can also set a take profit level. That's your target price where you'd like to cash out your gains. To do this, simply click Close at Profit and enter the rate you want. At the very bottom of the order panel, the app will let you know if you have enough funds to place the trade. And at the top, you'll see a notification if the market is closed. Don't worry, you can still set up your order, but it will only go live once the market opens. And if you're curious about fees, you can always check them in the Info panel and scroll down to the section called Estimated Costs and Charges. It's easy to overlook, but really helpful. Once everything looks good, just hit Buy or Place Order. And congratulations, you've placed your first trade. Once your trade is live, you can immediately check it under the Open Positions tab. Here, you'll see all the key details, the instruments you're holding, the amount, and the live profit and loss figure. And while open, you can edit your stop loss and take profit anytime. Or if you decide to, you can even close your positions from here. You can also set up price alerts to stay up to date with market moves without constantly monitoring the app. To set one up, click on the asset, tap Info in the top bar, and then hit the bell icon. You can choose to be alerted when the price reaches a certain level, when it changes by a set percentage, or when trader sentiment hits a specific threshold. At the bottom, you can also select how you'd like to receive the alert, via email, SMS, or push notification. There are also some other features you might find useful. For example, if you click on the money icon in the top right corner of the Positions tab, you'll see a full overview of your account, including your total P&L figure, your equity, your available balance, and the maintenance margin required for keeping your positions open. Under the Positions tab, you can also switch between open positions, pending orders, and closed positions, where you can even filter your history by date. Similarly, if you go to Funds in the bottom menu and tap Account Snapshot, you'll get an even more detailed breakdown. This includes your account balance, the amount of leverage you're currently using, and a view of your open positions organized by asset class. With these tools, you'll have everything you need to confidently track and manage your trades on Plus500. So that brings us to the end of this guide. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit BrokerChooser.com for our in-depth comparison articles. We review more than 100 brokers worldwide to help you choose the right one for your goals.